In this video, I am going to explain how to do queries which are related to dates. If I open the students table, here we have the date of birth of the student. I am going to do a query that will show us the students which are less than 18 years old. Now, in order to get the age of the students, we have to subtract the date of birth of the student from today's date. To do this, I am going to create a new query. I am going to choose all the fields. Then here, I am going to write code to calculate the date of birth. To calculate the age, we have to subtract today's date from the date of birth, which is this one. So here I am going to write the following code: date diff for date difference, open brackets. I am going to write y to indicate that we are interested in the year. And then in square brackets, I am going to write the date of birth to refer to the date of birth field of the student. To subtract today's date, I'm going to write date open and close brackets. That will give us today's date. If I close the brackets and I press enter and I save and run this query, you will notice that here we have the age of our students. Now, if we go back to the design of the query, and here we do a criteria less than 18, it will show us the students which are less than 18 years old. If we don't want to show this extra field, obviously we have to untick the checkbox there. Now let's do another query that will show us those students that have their birthday today. The date today, when I am recording this video, is the 14th of January. So we have to check that the day of the date of birth is the 14th and the month is January. To do that, we have to do a query that will allow us to extract the day and the month of the date of birth. So I'm going to create a query for a student, and I am going to choose all the fields, and here I'm going to write day, open brackets, and in square brackets I will write date of birth to refer to the field. So date of birth, close square brackets, close bracket. And here I am going to write month and in square brackets date of birth. If I run this query as it is, it will show me two new columns with the day and the month respectively. So I'm going to save this query and run it. And as you can see here, we have this is representing the day and this is representing the month. The student that has the birthday today, because today is the 14th of January, because I am recording this video on the 14th of January, is the student Joseph Borch. Now we are not interested to show the day and the month here, but we are interested in showing the record. So if I go back to the design view and I will write here day now, which means the day of today, and here I will write month now, which means the month of today's date, it will only show us those students which were born on today's day and today's month. If I save it and run it, here we have Joseph Borch. I am going to remove these two by checking those checkboxes, and now we have the final result.